Very good morning, students, and welcome back in the online teaching of science. See, students, we were there in the chapter number 13, Fun with Magnet, on the page number 131. So, in our previous video, we have completed the activity 6. So, today we'll start from the 13.5. Okay, from here. Attraction and repulsion between the magnets. See, what do you mean by attraction? Means we have already learned that the principle of magnet. Okay, what was that? When it the iron get attracts towards the magnet, right? So that was called an attraction. But what do you mean by the repulsion? It's just the opposite of attraction. Means attract means it's getting towards the magnet, and repulsion means it will not attract towards the magnet. Okay, so let's start the 13.5. Let us play the another interesting game with magnet. Take two small toy cars and label them A and B. Place a bar magnet on the top of the car along its length and fix them with rubber band. See, they are telling that take a tube, this one toy car, and place a bar magnet on the top of that car. See, like this, and attach it with a rubber band. Okay, see here 13.13. In car A, keep the south pole of the magnet towards its front side. See, in car A, what they have done, they have kept the south pole of the magnet towards the front side. See here. Okay, and where we are here, place the magnet in the opposite direction in a car B, and here we have to place the opposite direction in a car B. Now place the two cars close to one another in a 13.13 figure. See, in a 13.13, let's see like this. Okay, we have to place the two cars near to each other. See, they both were placed together. What do you observe? Do the cars remain at their places? Do the cars run away from each other? Do they move towards each other and collide? Collide means getting this one accident type, or that things we can call suddenly hit to each other. Okay, so what they are asking, that after placing a two car over there, whether they are getting attract towards each other, or whether they move, or whether they run from there, that we have to observe. Do the car move towards each other and collide? Record your observation in the table as shown in the table 13.3. Now place the toy car close to each other such that the rear side of the car A face the front side of the car B. See what they are telling, that now both of the cars were on the front side. See, okay, facing to each other. Now what they are telling, that just one of the car you move to the backward and the another to the front side. A face, this one where we are, yes, now place the toy car close to each other such that the rear side of the car A face the front side of the car B. As I told, that just one you just twist it and another on the front side. As shown in the figure 13.4. Let's see like this. See, both of the cars are on the face, not facing to each other. Okay, see, are they facing to each other? No, this is on the front side, and this car B, D is facing the back side of the car C. Okay, note the direction in which the car move now. Next, place a car A behind the car B and note the direction in which the car move in each cases. See what they are telling, that they are just telling us to do the changing of the position of the magnet. Okay, so while doing that, you can see that the car is moving or not, or it's just getting attracted towards each other, or a repulsion towards each other. So that all things we have to mention in this table, whether it's moving, whether it's attracting, whether it's repelling, whatever the things it's happening, we have to mention over there. Now repeat the activity by placing a car with their rear side facing each other. See, again and again we have to change the direction of the car, and we have to note the activity, that what car is moving or not. Record your observation in each cases. See what they are telling, that whatever the things you are observing while changing the directions of the car, you have to mention in the table. What do we find from this activity, do two similar poles attract or repel each other? Here is the thing that we have to observe, that the two similar poles will attract towards each other or having the repulsion towards each other. What about the opposite poles? Do they attract or repulse each other? This property of the magnet can also be observed by suspending a magnet and bringing one by one poles of another magnet near to it. See what they're telling, that this is the activity, because of that they have used a car. Otherwise you can do one thing, just take a bar magnet and try to follow this sequence. First the opposite poles, then after the similar poles. Okay, so while this also you can conclude the repulsion and the attraction. Okay, so this remaining portion we will complete in our next video. Okay, so that's all for the day, students, and have a good day.